How to download and install Yuka Food and Cosmetic Scanner app. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can download and install Yuka Food and Cosmetic Scanner app. First of all, launch open Play Store, then tap on the search bar. Now type Yuka, then search for it. Now out of the search results, you want to select this one. Go ahead and tap on the install option. If you want more details about this app, simply scroll down and tap on About This App option. Here you can get all the details about this app. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, the application will be downloaded. If this item is not available in your country, you won't be able to download that. Once the downloading has been completed, it will be automatically installed on your device. Then you can simply start using the application by tapping on Open. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.